Okay, so this is going to be a hard job for me to explain because I already have Screencastify in my account. So what I'm going to try to do is to go to one of my other Google Chrome browsers, and I'm just going to type in Screencastify, and here it is. So what you're going to do here is says start creating for free. So you're going to click this. Okay, now it's going to tell you add to Chrome. You're going to add the extension. Now what it's going to do is it's going to drop it up above. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to see it. So it says, hey, I've been added. That's great. Okay. So now if you can see where it hit itself behind this puzzle piece that says extensions. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on that puzzle piece. You're going to want to pin it, because when you pin it, it's going to be right up here at the top. Okay. So then let me explain to you what you're going to do from here. So let's see how far I can go. When I click this, it's going to be like, you need to sign in. Well, so when I click on sign in, I'm already signed in with my district account, and that's the one I use. So now I'm going to use my alternate email account, and I'm going to click this one. And then I'm going to click continue. Come all the way down. I'm going to click allow. And now you have nothing here. Now, you are allowed to do 10 videos for free, up to 30 minutes each. Okay, so I know I'm not going to get that far, but I'm going to try to help you as far as I can. So what you're going to do here is click right here. So we're just going to kind of pretend to record this screen right here. Click here. And you're going to set up all of your access. So go to set up microphone. Click right here, dead center. And allow. Now you're all set. So the next time that you go to click this red arrow, let's just close that. So you're going to click the red arrow. Now, if you want the kids to see your face, toggle this button. I normally don't. So what you would do here is you'd click this blue record button. When you click the blue record button, you would then click this, and it would record literally your entire screen of what you're looking at right now. Then you would click the share button, and it's going to give me a countdown right now. So right now is when I would actually start speaking, and you can hear me start to speak, and it's recording my screen. I can take a pen, click on the pen, and I can write on the screen, clear my screen. Like I said, there's a lot of little features that they have here, stickers. Okay, things like that. It's kind of cool. Hit the back button. There you go. All of your switches are down here at the bottom. There's a pause if you make a mistake. There's stop if you want to end it. But right here, so let's say if I want to stop it. So I'm going to stop it. So now you can see it's funneling back to my Screencastify account. So here's where you can edit it. If you want to like cut it, do whatever you want to do with it, you can do it right here. If you want to put interactive questions on there for your kids, you can do that as well. But for our purpose, I want you to do this. So fix your sharing settings. Take them to anyone with a link, and then you're done. Click save. So when you want to share a video link with me, you're going to click copy, share, share link. And this is a Google link. So then you can paste this link into an email. You can paste this link into any Google document, pretty much anywhere, and the student will have this video. You can also kind of scroll down here and see that there's other share and exports. Okay. Now, what you also have to understand is when you go to Google Drive, okay? So let's open this up and go to Google Drive. So I'm going to go to Google Drive. And I'm just going to click on recent. And there's my video right there. So it saves it automatically into your Google Drive. Now, let's say I don't like it. I'm going to click right back in here, my Screencastify, and I'm going to trash it. Okay, so I hope that was helpful.